Oh my god. You know what bothers me? I'm trying to enjoy my life. Hello? The butt scrunch! The butt scrunch! Who is she?
Hey guys, it's Keegan. This is actually part 2 of the college week of my life. It was just a super long video, so I split it into 2. I hope that you guys are excited. If you guys want to watch part 1, check the link in the description if you guys wanted to check out part 1. But if you want to watch part 2, keep on watching.
Good morning, happy Wednesday. I didn't go to the gym today, which I always love those days because it's the one day a week I can sleep in. I'm trying on my Abercrombie jeans. I bought the same pair in 2 different sizes. There's this pair. I got them in the long because I don't like it when they like hit my ankle. So I know it's like my morning skinny, but they are a little like big. If I eat a peanut, I'm sure my stomach will bloat and fit right into these. But this is the larger size. I'm gonna try on the smaller size, which I have a feeling probably won't fit. This is a smaller pair. They actually fit me perfectly. Like it's like literally perfect. But I'm afraid that I eat anything and then they'll be too big. No, too small. Maybe I'll try them on like at nighttime and see if they still fit. But I think they're really cute. I love how these fit. I just don't think they'll fit me when I'm not my morning skinny, you know? But I like the way these ones fit better. I need to get working though. Your try on haul for the day. I'm about to edit a video. I always want to like tell you guys the sizes for reference for like when I do try-ons because I know there's some people with similar sizes to me, but I don't want to trigger anyone. You know what bothers me? I've talked about this in videos where I say I don't want to say my size, my weight, my anything like that because I don't want to trigger anyone. And there's always these comments of people being like, you don't want to trigger anyone, people are so sensitive. You know what? When someone breaks a bone, we give them a cast, we give them crutches, we give them doctor's appointments, we put them in an environment where they won't hurt themselves more. Why don't we do the same thing for mental illness, for eating disorders? Why don't we? That really irked me. I don't get why people say things like that. They're so sensitive. No, they're not. It's not like people willingly want to have an eating disorder. I'm sorry, I don't even know why I'm on this topic. Me just spewing off my opinions. Anyways, I'm going to try to edit a video since I'm not working out this morning. I have more time. I think I'm gonna edit my room tour. Woo!
I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone.
This is my steamer. Maybe I should turn it back on. I really want to take this thing off of it, but I can't figure out how to get it off. But this is my outfit for the day. See, I tried steaming it and you can see like the line from this thingy. But Forever 21 bodysuit. These are Zara. I think I feel really cute. I'm gonna put some necklaces on. I just feel like whenever I wear a like square neck top, I'm like, who is she? Yeah, I need to leave really soon for class actually. 10 minutes and I'm like not really ready yet, but whatever. I'll just keep steaming my pants. We're going off to class. I actually have to stay after to participate in the research lab, and I'm annoyed because my class ends at 1:15 and my research lab starts at 2, so I have to like stay there for an extra almost hour just to wait for my research lab. But it's for extra credit for your classes, so you can like participate in these studies, and then if you do enough of them you get extra credit for your classes. You know, it really comes in handy towards the end of the semester. But I'm about to go. The bus is now working again, which honestly disappointed in. I wish it wasn't. I'll see you guys when I get home from class. Guys, I'm so embarrassed. I went to go to my research study and I literally went to the wrong building. I'm so embarrassed. I'm in the elevator alone, but I'm so embarrassed. I was like, I don't know where it is. And she was like, I think you're in the wrong building. I was like, oh my God, you're right. I'm back home and we're remodeling. You guys are gonna love this. We hung this. We hung the swan that we found at a Goodwill. We have no idea who made it. Guys, did we ever name the swan?
I don't think so.
We're hanging more.
So excited. Keegan literally bought the whole store.
It was in it. The pink? This is the Whitney Simmons stuff. It's so warm.
Can I feel it? Oh my God, it's literally exactly like the ones I'm wearing right now.
The way that I just like caressed her.
The brown. Oh, I'm obsessed.
The butt scrunch.
The butt scrunch. Well, that does this.
I wish everything had a butt scrunch.
I know. The yellow shorts.
Did I not get biker shorts? Me just impulse purchasing, not even knowing what I bought.
Stop it. Oh my God, on the side it says it's a beautiful day to be alive. Oh my God, that color.
I have no words.
The fabric.
Couple hours later, I wanted to show you guys my newest Amazon obsessions. Let me close the freezer. Not Amazon, Trader Joe's. I just finished editing 2 videos. Very proud of myself. This is my first new obsession. It's like these little mini drumsticks. You know, drumsticks, how like the bottom of the cone is the best part? Well, Trader Joe's sells just the bottom. And it's so great. It's like the perfect like thing if you have a sweet tooth. Like I'm literally not even hungry right now. I'm just in the mood to eat something sweet. And then, if you guys are into lox, like salmon on a bagel, there's this dip, which it doesn't sound like it would be good, but it's really good. I like it with the pita crackers that you guys know I love. Both of these are new obsessions that I really love. Normally on Wednesdays I go out to a bar, but today I'm not going to because I just have a busy week and I was like, okay, let's just not. Someone commented on one of my videos, they're like, you need to stop drinking. Like, I'm gonna keep drinking. I'm trying to enjoy my life. For the past 3 years of college, I've really put aside the whole social aspect of college. I never really went to frat parties. I mean, I've been to them, but like I didn't really go frequently, pretty much ever. I didn't go to one single one last year. The last time I went to a frat party was Halloween 2019, if that tells you anything. So I'm trying to like make time for these social college things, but today's not the day for that, but I'm trying. Hope you're proud of me. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. Wait, let me give you a little cheersy moment. Pop. This is dark. I feel like it's not flavorful enough, so I put in less milk. I think it's because I got the skinny one. Last time I ever tried to do that, I actually have my first class that's like canceled for today, so I don't have to go. And then I'm kind of like, because the time that I would leave if I were to take the bus, this is so confusing. The bus has like a little like cleaning schedule, and so if I wanted to leave and take the bus, I would have to leave an hour before class starts, and I don't want to do that. There's just no point. Like, I don't want to sit on campus for an hour. That's just not fun. So I was thinking that I might drive into like pay for parking, which I mean in the long run I spend more money, but I'm like, I think right now I'm gonna make my to-do list for the day, and I actually have been doing it digitally. I taught myself how to do this yesterday. The fact that I literally sell digital like notebooks, no, to-do lists. I sell digital to-do lists and paper ones, and I never knew how to do this. I thought you always had to do this on an iPad, and then I found out yesterday that I could do it on my laptop, and now I'm like kind of like it. So every time I open my laptop, I see like my to-do list, and I like it a lot. This is mine from yesterday. Obviously not finished, which is fantastic, but I think I'm gonna switch out all the things. Kiara Green. What TikTok did Miss Kiara send to me? Oh no, I'm like, why is my heart beating?
The trailer for
Plan was to pay me $10K for peeing on his face. And I peed on his face, I got first class, he's my professor.
That was a plot twist of a TikTok. I'm going to make my to-do list for today on my computer. I'm gonna use my weekly to-do list and transfer some things over. You guys, Whitney Simmons saw my Instagram story and responded. Yeah, I just died. I just peaked at 21. Do you see me shake? I literally had to set the camera down because I was shaking. When I saw that notification, I went,
Something I will miss. Well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean.
I met the nicest subscriber when we were getting coffee, and I feel so bad. She was like, excuse me? Hello? Trying to talk to me, and I was like, huh? Today was literally the best day ever. Everything was going right, except for I cried in my car on the way home. When I was in my class, I was kind of bored, so I was like, oh, let's like look to see like kind of like what jobs there are for what I want to do when I graduate. That caused me to have a mental breakdown, so I'm not doing that anymore until I'm ready for that, and I'm not ready for that. A little mental breakdown, but other than that, great day. I feel like maybe soon I'll talk about the whole post-grad dress life thing. Also, Whitney Simmons liked my DM back to her, and I just want to like cry. I just love her so much. Amazon haul time. I will talk about the whole post-grad thing. I get a lot of questions about that, but mentally, I'm not there yet. I'm not in a mental state where I can handle it. But I got some workout. What is this? What are these? I got some clothes. Oh, okay, so I wanted to get a black and then a white, just like long sleeve bodysuit. Like, I just think these are like super classic looking. It's like a scoop neck with like jeans. I just think they look really good. I'll link everything down below as per usual. I also got it in white. If I could hold it up, I'll show you. This looks like it might be, it's not as soft as I was hoping. This is also a workout top. I own it in like a pink color. This one looks huge. But every time I hold something up to my body, I'm like, it's huge. And then it fits me perfectly. A little workout top. Because I don't own any white or black ones in this style. And I really like this brand. I don't know why the black one came in like a different bag. A lot of people say they remind them of like the Align from Lululemon. I don't wear Lululemon. It doesn't really fit my body type that well. Happy for the people it fits, you know? Also got it in black. This with like, you know what I mean? Like cute, right? Because I have a bunch of like colored leggings. So I thought, why not just get like simple tops? This is the thing that I'm the most excited about. I got like a little black mini skirt with like a slit in it. I'm going out of town this weekend and next weekend. Will this fit me? I need to try it on. I also have my laundry that I need to put away. So I'll do that now. Oh, what? There's something else in here. Almost threw that away. Oh, I got a new mic for the camera. I didn't really research this. I kind of just thought like the first thing that I saw. Where are my scissors? Okay, before the mic, after the mic. I don't know. I haven't even, oh, whoa. I haven't even heard it yet, so we'll just have to put it into my computer. I listened to the mic and I'm not sure how I feel about it, so let me know if you guys like it or not. I'll probably use it for the rest of this video, and then please just tell me if you like it or not, and then I will use whatever you like and whatever you don't like. Hello? That was me talking really closely to the mic. I wonder how that sounded. I don't know. I feel like there's more static, but I sound clearer. What do you guys prefer? Let me know. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today I'm getting ready right now because I'm picking up my iPhone soon. I got the new iPhone. I'm very excited to get it. I leave in 45 minutes. I'm just getting ready beforehand because I have a lot going on today. So I think that if I just get ready now, it will save. Well, actually, no. Yeah, no, I should. I keep trying to like talk myself out of it because I don't want to. I have a pretty busy day. I'm currently, or at least I was, packing. I feel like I'm going on like a little weekend trip every weekend. I'm vaccinated, don't worry. But I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm about to film a video, edit, upload all today. My iPhone unboxing, I'll link it down below because I guarantee you it's already up. We'll just do a little time lapse of me getting ready.
With the whole unusual feeling, I'll be alright, we'll be alright, we'll be alright for 2 or 3 days, but after...
I did most of my makeup except for my mascara, so I thought I would try out the new Rare Beauty mascara. It's beautiful. Ooh. I love the sound of when you open mascara and it goes pop. It also reminds me of E, how they go pop. Do you know what I mean? Like E! News, like the Kardashians. Oh, like all over my eyelid. So that's like, wow. It is literally all over my eyelid. I don't know if you can tell, but she's everywhere. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very shocked. I thought this was gonna be like a minimal lash moment. Got it on my eyelid again. Oh, and again. Yeah, wow. I need to put bronzer on my neck. That's something that I've discovered. Life hack. Wait for your mascara to dry and then it'll flake off with a little Q-tip. But let it dry first. Making my neck match my face. Or at least trying. I still can't get over how good this is. Good thing I don't have like an eyeshadow look on. Some mascaras are so lengthening that they just get all over my eyelid. Just like the way my eyes are like genetically shaped. Look at them. Oh my gosh. So long. Like what? Like who? Like me? And we're off to the Apple store. I'm getting my new iPhone. Ah. Hello, iPhone is here. This is her. I did a whole unboxing. I just filmed and I'm about to go import the footage into my computer, so I'll link it down below because it's already up by the time that you guys are watching this. All my apps are downloading, so fun. Yay! I have so much to do today. The last thing that I really need to be doing is playing with the new phone. What time is it? Oh my god. It is 5:30. Also, this angle makes my room look huge. Anyways, 5:30 p.m. Literally how? Don't even know how. I actually in the mail got the skirt that I bought earlier this week. I think I showed it to you guys, but it was too big, so I got the smaller size. I need to finish packing. I still can't get over that I feel like I'm in some like giant room. Just the angle of this. I kind of am living for it, but I need to pack the rest of my stuff for this weekend. Basically, the plan is for tonight, I'm getting dinner with someone, and then we're going to go straight to my bestie's birthday party. It's her 21st birthday. We call them power hours here. I know that some people call them like 21ers or things like that. We don't do that. We call them power hours. Right after her power hour, and when we go to all the bars, I have to like, I have to be completely packed and ready before I go to dinner tonight. So I packed some. If you guys remember the vlog where I got this bag, it's so heavy. I need to switch out the skirt though. Hello? I need to finish packing. I have all the clothes and stuff that I'm going to wear, as well as some backups, because you know me, always have to have a nice little backup. Is this the skirt? Yeah, we're gonna trade out the skirts.
The only thing that I think I really need to put in here are like my laptop, my chargers. Let me just go through the checklist in my head. Okay, I'll do the checklist in my head, not on camera, because that's just boring. I was just getting some work things done. I'm about to leave here soon for dinner and for my friend's birthday. I probably won't show those to you guys. There's some moments where I'm like, I should just enjoy time with my friends without feeling a need to like record it, if you know what I mean. But I always do post that kind of stuff on Instagram if you guys want to follow me there. But I'm probably going to say goodbye for the night. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know how you feel about the new camera, about the new microphone, about the new iPhone. I don't know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
All the conversations have died out. I'll play the music from the beginning, and then we all just sing it again. Then welcome to the show. Come and sing.